Get dirty on the YouTube scene. How you doing out there, people? How y'all doing out there? This is what I used to be. I be that nigga out there. I didn't care. I was a bad boy there. But I'ma tell you like this. I'm a out your man now. I'm that nigga from that shot town. This how I get down. I'm that little boy, yeah, still with attitude. And I hope you like my YouTube sing. I'm type of nigga that to sing. And I ain't better than nobody. I like to bring the action, the party. Let's get big, get naughty. When the bodies I like to do, they like to keep it true. So you fools, I like to keep it safe. Everybody holding it down, love the party. Everybody, but be safe in this fuck the world, cause the boys and girls don't know the actions speaks louder than words. Action speaks, everybody get served. Get served and get their ass pulled to the curve, or get served. Lose their life and be in the herb. Damn. What we here for? We don't even know. We don't even know. But I'm just here to say. I guess that's why they put me on that YouTube today. I'm from that shot town with my friends now, holding it down, and I like to clown. Hope you people like to hear me now. It's that bad boy from that west side, and I like to make noise. I ain't digging no better than you. I'm just a nigga out here with that rapping attitude, but I like to make moves, and that's in the streets. If you wanna try to fool, don't make me lose my motherfucking cool. I'm just a nigga like you. Ain't no bigger than you. But I ain't got the same attitude. Yeah, I'm the bad boy on the YouTube scene, like to make noise, dirty finna bring it to you people, while you get out your seats and move to my shit, give it to me. What up, though? This the truth in the booth, and I'm speaking the word, and I hope you hear dirty. I ain't pulling to the curve for this. Everybody gonna want to hear this. Yeah, I always gotta smile to my face to this. And I love to the people who like this. I ain't bigger, better than you, man. Fuck all this. They want us to leave this world, throw a corona to us like we on some ghetto boys and girls. Been there and done that with the attitude. Don't leave here anyway. So in the way, fuck what you say. We here today, and we still happy. Chi-Town, West Side, hooligan, I'm dirty, ready to ride anytime. My mans, my friends, my loved ones, my next of kins, my family, and I'm doing it again. Y'all didn't know dirty unless it's out here like that. My friends, haters, all you motherfuckers.